1. 1973 Ford Country Sedan Wagon, $5,000, Issaquah, Washington. This 1973 Ford Country Sedan Wagon is a true survivor with a strong 400 cubic inch V8 engine, power steering, and front disc power brakes. It has 141,000 miles and comes with a clean title. While the air conditioning is not currently functional, the car has been well cared for. Recent updates include new wheels, tires, battery, U-joints, window seals, and reupholstered front seats. The roof rack and headliner have been redone, and it even includes extra interior parts. This green wagon runs well once warmed up and is ready for a new home. 2. 1977 Datsun 810 Wagon, $1,200, Vista, California. Offered as a project car, this 1977 Datsun 810 Wagon comes with its original silver paint and matching engine numbers. It ran about 3 years ago and has been off the road since. The radiator, air filter, and other parts are included in the car, but not installed. There is surface rust, and the odometer has rolled over. This is a good base for restoration, especially for Datsun enthusiasts. It requires towing and a full mechanical check. 3. 1975 Fleetwood Brom Delegance, $6,950, Verona, Wisconsin. This luxurious 1975 Fleetwood Brougham offers a smooth ride and classic elegance. It features plush velour seats, low mileage at only 61,500 original miles, and ice-cold air conditioning. The car has spent its life in Wisconsin and has some surface rust, but remains structurally solid. With a clean title, it would make a great weekend cruiser or a full restoration candidate for someone wanting a standout classic luxury sedan. 4. $1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $6,800. This orange 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle is mechanically refreshed and runs great. It has a fresh engine, new ball joints, and a recently replaced steering box and linkage. It also features a rare manual crank moonroof that works smoothly. While the interior and trunk need some finishing work, the car includes extra parts from a well-known parts supplier. Garage kept in solid, it has 96 miles and is a fun, clean example of a classic Beetle. 5. 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $7,500, Berwyn, Illinois. A true barn find, this 1973 Monte Carlo has been in the same family since new. It features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, 2-barrel carburetor, and only 108,000 miles on a rolled over odometer. It sat untouched since 1987, but is now turnkey and ready to drive. The car includes many recently replaced parts and still has the vintage aftermarket cruise control and undercoating. a fantastic project or weekend driver with classic green paint. Six, 1973 Ford Mustang, $6,300, Van Nuys, California. This 1973 Ford Mustang was recently running and driving, but now has an electrical issue. It features a 302 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission with 60,076 miles. The seller notes it could make a great driver, Restomod, or full restoration project. While it needs some attention, the car is complete and has a clean title, a solid base for a classic Mustang enthusiast. Seven, 1977 Chevrolet Nova Coupe, $6,700, San Antonio, New Mexico. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova Coupe is a solid platform for a muscle car project. It has a strong 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The white exterior is complemented by aftermarket wheels and newer tires. While the odometer has rolled over and there is a small oil leak, the car was driven regularly last year. The interior is in good shape, though it needs speaker installation and climate control repair. A clean, solid candidate for customization or restoration. Eight, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $5,700, Tucson, Arizona. This 1979 Camaro Z28 is a rough but running project car with lots of upgrades. It includes a non-original 350 cubic inch V8 engine with performance parts like a Reed Cam's camshaft, Edelbrock carburetor, and Hedman headers. It has a Monte 4-speed manual transmission that needs attention, and the odometer is non-functional. New wheels and tires were just installed. With a solid base and aggressive stance, it is ready for restoration or modification. Nine, 1972 Ford Galaxy 500 Country Sedan, $2,200, Hotchkiss, Colorado. This 1972 Ford Galaxy 500 station wagon is a complete and original project. It has been off the road for over 35 years and shows rust around the rear wheel wells with a dent on the rear passenger panel. The engine turns manually, and the car comes with its stock 400 engine and automatic transmission. While the interior is sun-damaged and shows signs of mouse activity, the body is mostly intact. A great low-cost starting point for a classic Ford enthusiast. 10 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Muscle Car Project. $6,500, Amiri, Wisconsin. This 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass is a garage-kept muscle car project featuring a powerful 403 cubic inch engine with performance upgrades including a Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake, and headers. It has a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a shift kit, Positraction rear end, and super stock wheels. While the mileage is unknown and the odometer is broken, it runs and drives well. A solid project with strong potential for a street-ready build. $11 1964 Oldsmobile Jet Star 2-door, $6,500, Los Angeles, California. This 1964 Oldsmobile Jet Star offers vintage style with comfort and power. It comes fully optioned with power windows, power seat, a tachometer, and air conditioning that needs a recharge. The 394 cubic inch engine runs strong and the transmission shifts smoothly. It features original green paint with patina and clean California black plates. Doors open and close effortlessly, and the clean title makes this an appealing, mostly original classic. $12 1967 Buick Wildcat, 5,500 Junction City, Oregon. This 1967 Buick Wildcat sedan has 98,000 original miles and remains mostly original. The blue exterior is complemented by a solid body and a clean title. The interior shows wear with small upholstery tears, but overall the vehicle presents as a strong candidate for restoration. A large and comfortable cruiser with a classic American presence.